Hello, welcome to Zigmatech Learninghub. I will be your instructor for mathematics. For this class, we are going to be taking our exercises from the ExamGuide app. If you don't have the application already installed on your device, I will want you to download the app in order to follow along in this class. ExamGuide is a leading educational app that helps students prepare adequately for various exams like UTME, post-UTME, WAEC, GC, KCPE, IJMB, JUPEB, BECE, SSCE, NCEE, and NECO, etc. You can download the app from www.examguide.com or Google Play Store. Please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to be updated on new videos. Ready for today's class, okay? Let's get started. Welcome to today's class. Our topic is the basic foundation every learner needs to have as a mathematician, or mathematics for the beginners. Our target is how to use the long division to divide a given number. Solve square root of any number, handle multiplication of any number. The long division. Recall in your primary school, you will be doing long division, but today, most of us are still having it as a challenge. Every time you want to solve anything given to you, you want to invite a calculator, shun the habit of calculator. Look at this. Divide the following numbers. 45 divided by 7. It's an easy thing. The only one that may give a little challenge is decimal point. But that one is still not a big case. There is something you need to do about it. Okay. This is it. You're dividing by 7. Ask yourself, how many 7 can you see in 45? Some of you like the counting method by saying 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 45. Now, how many 7 can you see in this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6. It means inside 45, there are 6 7s. Or you can go this way. 7 times 3, 21, times 4, 28, times 5, 35, times 6, that is 42. It means you must know your multiplication table, because this counting of stick is a long process. In a fast exam system, if you do this, you carry last. So we have 6 times. 6 multiplied by 7 equals what? 42. You write. That's a subtraction. 5 minus 2 is 3. 4 minus 4 is 0. Meaning you are left with just 3. You ask yourself this question. 7 and this 3 that is remaining, who is bigger? 7 is bigger. For that fact, you introduce your point. When you introduce points, you are increasing this because 7 is greater than 3. To increase 3, you add 0, making it 30. how many 7 are inside 30? Is 4, which is 28. 4 times 7 is 28. You subtract again. This is 2. 0 here. You still have 20. How many 7 are here? 7 times 2 is 14. You write again, you subtract. This is 10, 6. You keep on going. You can see that when you press your calculator, you will see 6.42 ... That number will continue to go. This type is called recurring decimal. How many 7 are inside 60? 7 times 8 is 56. All right, 8, 56. When you subtract again, you're going to see 40. Can you see it? If you keep on going, it can never end. Recurring decimal. Just take your time to understand the division process. Though, still have another one, the decimal points on. To every whole number, this is what you do. Think about the number of times that particular number will go into it. Let us choose 12.5 divided by 0.5. Some of us, you don't like seeing this. And those of you writing JAMB, remember, there are some questions you see very easy, but the challenge you have is the decimal point you are seeing, and you always complain. They didn't give us calculator, they didn't allow us to make use of calculator. Learn the calculator, you are the calculator yourself. So, 12.5 implies what? 125 all over 10. That is, when you call decimal 1, this one is 0, which is 10. Convert to a whole number, 125 all over who? 10. Then, 0.5 implies what? 5 all over 10. Meaning, 125 all over 10 all over 5 all over 10 to imply 125 all over 10 times 10 all over 5. Cancel, cancel, we have what? 125 over 5. So we are dividing a whole number. At the end, introduce that point you need to introduce. So let's go ahead to divide. This is 125. If the number is too big, you can group into 2. How many 5 are in 12? 2. Remember what? 2. How many 5 are inside 25? 5. Then 25 times 5 is what? 125. So here is what? 0, 0. Reason, 125 minus 125 is what? 0. This one has come to the end. So 12.5 divided by 0.5 will give us what? 2.5, not 25. Recall that we converted with 10. Therefore, at the end, you say 25 divided by 10 equals 2.5. So the 2.5 is our answer to this question. This is all about division for now. The major focus here is solving a given number or taking square root of numbers where 4-figure table is not available, where calculator is not allowed. Square roots of numbers. So look at the first one. Find the square root of 17. I know somebody will say how. Look at how. The rule guiding square root. You must use 2 uniform numbers, that 2 same numbers that will give you a number that is exactly 17 or less than 17. And of course, you don't have any 2 same number that can produce 17 for us. Rather, we'll have it in approximate. Let us check and see. Remember the rule. You must use two uniform numbers by multiplication. Now let us, 2 times 2 equals who? 4. It's less than who? 17. So we say no to it. Another number, 3 times 3 equals what? 9. It's less than who? 17. We say no to it. The next two uniform numbers, 4 times 4 is what? 16, less than 17. But if you check this 3 we have applied, 4 times 4 is the one that is very close to who? 17. Therefore, we are choosing from 4 times 4. So I will write 17, square root of 17. We want to get the square root of 17. So, 4, because it's the number that gave us 16 by multiplication. So what do you do now? You bring down this 4. 4 times 4, 16. You subtract. What do you have now? It's 1. Double this 4. When you double your 4, that is 4 plus 4 equals to 8. So you are having now 8 against 1. Look at it very well. 8 is bigger than 1. And a number must be attached to this 8 to get the next number. Meaning we must increase this to 100. If we increase, let us say 1 here, that is 81 times 1 will give us what? 81. It's not up to 100. Meaning 4.1. When you want to check the square root of 17, if you punch your calculator, it will give you 4 points, starting from 1. So, you write 81, subtract, this is 9, 10 minus 1 is 9, here is remaining 9, which is 1, 19 now. You are going to double this number again, double 4.1. You either say 4.1 times 2, or you double the 1 at the back of 8 to give you what? 82. Of course, you increase this. Increase it again because we must add number here by trial and error method. Let us add 3. So 8 to 3 times 3. Let's see if it will give us 1,900. This is 9. This is 6. This is 24. It's bigger than this. Now let us say 82, 2. 2 here. This is 4. This is 4. 1, that's 16. 1,644 is very close. Therefore, we are choosing 2. Okay? You write 2. When you do that, you have 1644. You subtract. This is 6. This will give us 5. Here is remaining 8. This is 2. 256. For the facts, you have gotten the first two decimal after the point, the first two numbers after the point. You can stop. If you're in exam condition, you can check the options. You must see 4.12 something something because other numbers are still left. But if you check the first decimal number, the first number after the decimal point is 1. It cannot approximate. You check the second one is 2. It cannot approximate. Meaning just pause, trace and check the answer. You get your solution. Therefore, square root of who? 17 equals what? 4.12 ... Other numbers follows. But the truth is that it is what? 4.2. Do you want to check? Again, fine. You can do this by saying, because the opposite of square root is what? Square. 4.12 multiplied by 4.12. By multiplication, this is 8, this is 4, then 16. Then this guy will go, this is 2, 1, 4. This guy will go 4, 2, 8. We'll add it up. This is 4, 4, 16, 17. This is 9. This is 6, 1. Now ask yourself, how many decimal points do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now you move. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 16.9744. Ask yourself a question. Can 9 approximate? Yes is the answer. Call it 1 and add to 16, which is what? 17. Therefore, the square root of 17 is indeed 4.12. 4.12. Look at this. Find the square root of 45. Square root of 45. Remember the rule. 2 uniform numbers. 2 uniform numbers, or 2 numbers that are the same. You go by guessing that, you know, a number that is very close to 45 in terms of perfect square is this. But this is not a perfect square. So the best thing, the case we'll have is who? 45. Now, if I say 5 times 5 equals who? 25. It's less than who? 45. So this is not the best option. Test again. 6 times 6 is who? 36. It's less than who? 45. Test again. 7 times 7 equals who? 49. Is greater than who? 45. So the best solution is who? 6 times 6. You see how you choose? Just pay attention. Watch what I'm doing very well. So the number that is very close to 45 is what? 6 times 6. So you write 45. We want to take the square root now. The first number here is 6 because by multiplication it is 6 that gave birth to what? 36, which was less than or close to 45. You write 6. Bring down 6. 6 times 6 is what? 36. You subtract. When you subtract, we're going to have, this is 15. 15 minus this is 9. Okay. 9. This is 6. You must double your 6. When you double 6, it becomes what? 12. Okay? Now, 12 is greater than 9. Now 12 is greater than 9. You add what? 0. Okay? When you add 0, don't forget you put your point. Now, to decide what you are doing, a number must come at the back of 2. Let's say, let's try 1. Meaning 1, 2, 1 times 1 equals what? 1, 2, 1. If a number should come here, it means this 90 is also too small. So what do? You add 0 again, which is making it 900. But you must add to test with a reasonable number. Let's say 4. That is 124 times 4. This is 16, carry 1. This is 8 plus 1, 9. This is 4. 596 is very small compared to 900. So we'll now say 1, 2, let's say 8, okay? This is 64, carry 6, this is 16, 22, carry 2, this is 8 plus 2, 1, 0. That is 1,000 something. 8 is too big. So what do you test again? Let's say 7. That is 127 times 7. This is not magic, but it's just wisdom. 7 times 7 is 49. You carry 4. This is 14. 18. 7 plus 1, 9. 989. You can see it's still too much. So the best number is who? 6. Meaning 126 times 6. This is 36, carry 3, this is 12 plus 3, 15, carry 1, this is 6 plus this, 7 something. Okay, so the next number here now that is best for this solution is 6, now 6.6. Am I communicating? When you multiply that 6 by this, you're going to have 756. Subtract again, carry, this is 4. Here is remaining 9 minus this is 4. Here is remaining 8, this is 144. Don't forget to double your 6.6, or you double this 6 here. When I double 6 is 12, carry 1, meaning 132. 132 in this 144. You have doubled this. Recall, a number must come here too. Meaning this gentleman is also too small. We are going to add number again, meaning 1,440. If I put 1 here, this one is 1,300. Okay, let's say 1322 times 2. This is 4. This is 4. This is 6. This is 2 something. Now, if this 1321 times 1, it will give the same thing, meaning 1321. Now we have this. Let's call it 1. Now, in assumption for the square root of 45, let's assume it is what? 6.61. Other number will follow. Dot, 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 dot. Now, 6.61 multiplied by 6.61. Remember, the opposite of square root is what? Square. That is square of 6.61. Let's see if it will give us a number close to, that's 45. Very close to 45. This is 6.61. 6.61. This is 6. 36. Carry 3. 36. 39. Then this will go 6, 6, 9, 6, 6, 9, 3. Okay, it's turned for 1, 1, 6, 6, 1, 2, carry 1. This is 18, 19, carry 1. This is 15, 16, carry 1. This is 12 plus 1, 3. Carry 1, 4. You can see it. This is 43. Meaning this one will not work for us. We need to test with 2. 1, 3, 2, 2. You are going to increase 1, 3, 2, 2 times 2. That is 6.2. 6.62. You multiply. This is 12. Carry 1. This is 36. 37. Carry 3. This is 36. 39. Then 2, 7, 9, 3. This is 4, 2, 3, 1. 4, 4, 12, 18. This is 12 plus 1. 12, 13. 13. It will still not work for us. You go back again. Check this number very well. 126, 127 times 7. This is 49. 4. 14 plus 4, 8. Carry 1, this is 7. 7 plus this. Okay. See where the error is. That's why I call it trial and error method. 126 is not working well. So it cannot give us the square root. That's why you have room for checking. When you check, you balance. Meaning 127 is 7 that is supposed to be here. So 6.7, 127 times 7, this is 9, carry 4. This is 14 plus 14 plus 4 is 18. Carry 1. This is 7, 8. That is 889. Is very close to 900. 889. You subtract. This is 1. This is 1. So you are going to double this 7, which is 14. 4, 1, 3, 4. Okay. You must invite a number here. Add 0, 0. Let's say 1. Let's say this 6.71. Okay, checking it again. Remember, we are targeting to get 45. That is square of 6.71. 6.71. 6.71. This is 6. 42 carry 4. This is 24 plus 4. 28. This will now go. This is 7. This is 49. Carry 4. This is 42. 46. Okay. 46. One, 7, 6, 1, 4, 15. 21, 22, carry 2, this is 8, 10, 0. This is 12 plus 13, carry 1. 6 times 1, 6, 6 times 7, 42, carry 4. 6 times 6, 36 plus 4, 40. This time is 7, 49, carry 4, 42, 46, 46, okay. This is 1, 7, 6, you add 1, 4, this is 15, 21, 22, carry 2, this is 0, plus 1, 5, then 4. Okay, now how many decimal places do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. You now move. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mean 45.024. I now ask a question. Can 0 approximate? No is the answer. Therefore, square root of who? 45 equals 6.71 ... That's 6.71. And not 6.71. Nothing called 6.71. After decimal point, every other number are pronounced one after the other. Therefore, the square root of 45 equals what? 6.71. Look at this one, 12.5. Yes, it's a big challenge, but not much challenge. Focus on 12. Forget about the decimal part. There's something to do about it along the line as you solve. And let us check that which will happen to it. Okay. Thinking about 12.5. The perfect number, 2 times 2 is 4, is less. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 4 is 16, less than 12.5, less than 12.5, greater than 12.5. The best option is 3 times 3. Since 3 times 3 is the best option now, what do? We'll continue with our solving. So the first answer that will appear is what? 3. You bring it down. 3 times 3, this is 9. You subtract. 12 minus 9, that is 3. Then, can you see it? Forget about the decimal point. That should not be a challenge to you. You double your 3. When you double 3, it's 6. Now, you add that number we normally add here, and I say you increase this to 350. If you add 1 here, it will not give us 350. We'll add 2. It will give us, this is 4. 120 something. They will now add 3 to give us, this is 9, 18, 189. We'll add 4, 6, 4. This is 16, carry 1. This is 24, 25. We'll add 5, that is 65. This is 5, carry 2. This is 30 plus 2, 325. So you can see that after all the selection, 5 is the best. That is 65 multiplied by 5. This is 5, carry 2. This is 30, 32. 325 is very close to who? 350. So 5 is the best option. Put your point here. This is 5. So this multiplied by this will give us 325. Now we have 325. You subtract again to get the next number. This is 5. This will remain 4, 2. That is 25. Double your 5 is 10, meaning 0. Carry 1. Plus this, 70. It's no longer 65 you are seeing. Something must be done here. And here must be increased as well. Remember you have increased before. This is 70. If you are to have 2 here, 702 times 2, this is 4. 1,004 something. Why we have 2,005 something? So let's say 703. 3, this is 90, 21, 2,000 something. So let's say 4 times 4, this is 16, carry 1, this is 0, carry 1, 28, 29. Let's check well, this is 16, carry 1, then this is 0, plus 1, 1. Then this one is 28. So the best option is 3. Because 3 will produce a number that is close to 2,500, but not exactly 2,500. Therefore, we'll add 3 here. When you add 3, bring it up. You multiply, it will give you this 2109. You subtract, you keep on going. This will continue to go. Therefore, the square root of 12.5 equals to 3.53. Dot, 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 dot. It continues to go. You can still check to verify what you have solved and ascertain that is true. 3.53, 3.53 multiplied by this is 9, 15 carry 1, 9, 10, this is 15, carry 1, 25, 26, carry 2, 15, 17, this is 9, 15, carry 1, 9, 10, you add 9, 0, 6, 14, 2, 1. You check it again. This is okay. This one will have how many decimal points? 1, 2, 3, 4. You move 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Meaning 12.4609. Can 6 approximate? Yes, meaning 12.5. So absolutely, the answer was correct. Therefore, the square root of 12.5 is what? 3.53. I know that most of you already know multiplication. We are not going to delay or take our time in multiplication. Only one thing I'm going to give you, there is something you call the magic stick in multiplication, so that in exam condition, you can always use a magic stick, but don't write it out in a place whereby examiner will see it, especially in theory. So let us see the magic stick I'm talking about. For instance, using the magic stick for your multiplication. If I say 125, 125 times 12, some of us who can easily you multiply. But the magic stick is also easy with the magic stick. So how is it? This is one stick. You count. How many sticks are here? 2. 1, 2. How many are here? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many sticks do you have here? 1. How many do you have here? 1, 2. Let's take the counting. You are counting the grid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You carry 1, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 1, 5. 1, 2, you write. The next line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you write. 1, 2, you write. 1, you write. Add them together. This is 0, this is 0. Carry 1, this is 4, 5, 1,500. Do you want to verify? No issue. But I know from the magic stick, your solution is what? 1,500. But the normal multiplication you people know, almost everybody knows, is this. 1, 2, 5 times who? 12. Let's go. This is 5, 2, 1, 2. This is 10. Carry 1. This is 4, 5. This is 2. You multiply to give us what? This is 0, 0, 5. What do you see? 1,500. Check out the magic stick and see how you can handle it. Still another surprising package. After this, I will end the class. Another magic stick. Okay, look at this. 212 multiplied by 1, 2, 3. 123. It's quite a big number. So, according to magic stick, the first one, I have 2 sticks here. 1, 2. Okay? I have 1 at the center. I have 2 again at the end. The first, I have 1 magic stick there. I have 1, 2 here. Then finally, I have 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now I'm starting with the last one by counting the grids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. 1, 2, 3. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. That's the first step. Second step. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. 1, 2. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Okay. I want to finalize what to have. 1, 2. This way. 1, 1, 2. Then add everything together. This is 6. This is 7. This is 10. 0. This is 6. 2. Meaning 212 multiplied by 123 will give us what? 26,076. You want to verify? 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. This is 2. This is 1. This is 2. This is 4. This is 2. This is 4. This is 6. This is 3. This is 6. You add up. This is 7, 0, 6, 6, 2. What do you see? 26,076. So you can see that the magic stick is quite interesting and it makes multiplication to be easy. Thank you for participating in today's class. You can practice more questions using the ExamGuide app. The app scores and give a detailed explanation of all the questions at the end of your practice test. You can learn a particular topic of interest with different modes like study mode, mock mode, and practice mode. It also has other features that make learning fun. It is a must for all serious students. Download from www.examguide.com if you don't have it yet. See you in the next class. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell and share the videos to people that will benefit from it. Bye.